Hey everybody, it's Jack Baz back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to throw nasty wiffle ball pitches with the original 8-hole wiffle ball today. I'm making this video because I feel like, I haven't posted it in a very long time, and I've kind of been wanting some views. I wanted to kind of inform people how to throw pitches, so I thought this would be a very interesting video. So let's hop into this one. Alright, so the first pitch we're going to be throwing is a slider. It's pretty simple. So you're going to have your two fingers, your pointer finger and your middle finger on the ball. So you're going to have your middle finger on the hole area. So it's going to be like that. It doesn't have to be in a certain area. Just all around the holes is fine. And then just your pointer finger should go down like that. And then it's just a very simple release. Just throw it like a fastball, so it's fine. You don't have to throw it fast or anything. So what it's going to do is it's going to start out on the right side and come to the left side. If you're a lefty, it's going to come to the left to the right. So let's show you how to pitch this. Alright, the next pitch I'm going to show you guys how to throw is a drop ball. It's really simple once you get the slider down. You have the same grips right here, and you're just going to release it differently. You're going to go over your head like you throw a curveball in baseball. So you're just going to snap your wrist down over your head, and the ball should come up, and it comes right down. So I'm going to show you guys what that's going to look like. Alright, the third pitch I'm going to be showing you guys how to throw is a fastball. The fastball normally is considered a straight ball, but you can throw it fast and it will basically go straight. So what you're going to do is face the ball like this, and you're going to put, again, your pointer finger and your middle finger on just the top of the ball like that. So you're just going to throw it straight, and it should just go right down the middle every single time. So I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. Alright, the last pitch I'm going to show you guys is my customized pitch. It's kind of like a drop ball. It's like a slow drop ball, but so how you're going to grip it is you're going to face the ball down, and so you're going to put your thumb in one of the holes like that, so it's going to be like that, and then your middle and pointer finger like that. So it's going to look like that, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift your leg high and just like a submarine pitch. It's going to come up and then down. So I'm going to show you guys what that's going to look like.